Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an excited unboxing and review of the self-adhesive multi-purpose bathroom shelf with hook, towel holder and rack and bathroom accessories. Let's jump right in and take a look at what comes in the package. Upon opening, we have the self-adhesive bathroom shelf with a sleek and modern design that will easily blend into any bathroom decor. The shelf is made of high quality durable material ensuring long lasting use. Now let's talk about the functionality of this amazing bathroom organizer. This shelf feature multi-purpose storage option including hooks and towel holder, racks and space of bathroom accessories. The self-adhesive backing on the shelf allow for easy installation without drilling any hole, and simply peel off the adhesive backing and press firmly onto a clean and dry wall and left it sit for 24 hours or for maximum adhesion. With this bathroom shelf you can say goodbye to cluttered countertop and disorganized space. Everything will have its designated place and making your daily bathroom routine much more convenient and efficient. Whether you need to hang your towel and store your toiletry and keep your bathroom essential within easy reach, and this multi-purpose shelf has got you covered. The sturdy constructions of this shelf ensures that it can hold heavy items securely without any worries. Its spacious design provides ample storage space for all your bathroom needs, and the best part is it is super easy to clean. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth and it will look as good as new. And in the self-adhesive multi-purpose bathroom shelf with hooks, towel holder, racks and bathroom accessories is the ultimate solution for your bathroom organization needs. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this it helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that like button, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing product review and organization tips, guys. And if you want to purchase this product, then I'll say link is in description box, so you can check it out. Till then, bye, take care and thank you for watching my video.